Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can use Android Studio to record the screen of your phone or to take the screenshot. So you have to open the Android Studio and you have to connect your phone to your laptop to Android Studio. So I have connected using wireless debugging, and you can use USB debugging also to connect to it. So my phone is already connected. You can see my phone like it is connected. So I'll go to Logcat. So in Logcat you can see this my device is connected. So I will first show you how you can take the screenshot. So first you can see this icon, camera icon, take screenshot, so that this will help you like when you have the app and you are going to update screenshot in Play Store, so you can take it from here only. So I just click on camera icon and it is obtaining the screenshot. So you can see my mobile screen. So I got the screenshot. So I will save it. I will save to desktop. Okay. So now my screenshot is saved to the desktop. Now I will show you how you can take the, you can see my phone also, how you can take the video screen recording of your phone. So I will click this record screen, this video icon. So I'll click and you can record video up to 30 minutes. You can see here the length of the recording can be up to 30 minutes. So I'll just start recording. I just click start recording and you can see my phone. So I'll just I'm just using my phone so that you can see on the recording that it is getting recorded. So I'll stop recording and I will save to the same location, desktop. So okay, so I saved it. Now it is asking whether you want to play. Now I will click OK. So now I will show you the recording. I'll go to desktop. So here is the screenshot and screenshot which we took and the screen recording video. So I'll play it. So this is the video which we took. So this is all about the video. Thank you for watching.